This 2026 Forest River Vibe Extreme Lite 2500FIK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 30 feet 10 inches in length and features a rye interior, sleeps 3, skylight, microwave, oven, water heater, TV, refrigerator, slide-out, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Vibe Extreme Lite 2500FIK is 7,228 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.